So today we will see half subtractor using basic gates. So here connections have been done. 1 is input, 2 is input, 3 is output. So this is XOR gate, it is 7486. This is NOT gate and this is AND gate. So one of the XOR gate is connected to one of the NOT gate. 2 of the NOT gate is connected to one of AND gate. 2 of the AND gate is connected to 2 of XOR gate, which is also connected to the input, and 3 is connected to the output. So this is difference and this is borrow. So you will be having 3 ICs, one XOR gate, one NOT gate and one AND gate. And let us see how you will be getting the truth table. So truth table 0 0. So that is 0 minus 0, what you will be getting difference? Difference is 0 and also borrow is 0. Now 0 minus 1. So 0 minus 1, you will be getting answer as minus 1. So minus 1 means you will be having borrow 1 and difference is 1, so it is 1. So 1 minus 0, difference is 1, you will not be getting any negative sign, so borrow will be 0. So difference is 1. 1 minus 1, it is 0 and you are not having any negative sign, so borrow also will be 0. In the same way, half subtractor using NAND gates. So 1 is connected to the input, 2 is connected to the input, that is B. So here 3 of the NAND gate is connected to 5 of the NAND gate, as well as it is connected to 9 of the NAND gate. As I have already told, 4 is connected to 1 and it is given to input. 10 is connected to 2 and it is given to input. 6 of the NAND gate is connected to 12 of the NAND gate. 8 of the NAND gate is connected to 13 of the NAND gate, and 11 of the NAND gate is connected to the output, that is difference. Okay, so this 1, 2, 3, 4 gates you will be having in one IC. So this is only one single IC, 7400 for NAND gate, and one more IC you will be getting, you will be using for this IC. So that is, we will start with 1 and 2 will be shorted, and it is given to either 8 of the previous IC or 13 of the previous IC, and 3 is given to the output, that will be your borrow. Next, coming to full subtractor. So full subtractor, 1 is connected to the input, 2 is connected to the input using basic gate setters. So this is XOR gate, this is XOR gate, AND gate, NOT gate, NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate. So 1 is connected to input, 2 is connected to input. 1 of OR XOR gate is connected to 1 of NOT gate. Here you will be using altogether 3 ICs. This is one IC, that is for XOR gate. This is one IC for NOT gate, and 1, 2 you will be using for one IC, that is AND gate, and one IC for OR gate. So altogether you will be using 4 IC, not 3 ICs, you will be using 4 ICs. So 1 is connected to the input, and 1 of XOR gate is connected to 1 of NOT gate. 2 of XOR gate is connected to 2 of AND gate. 2 of NOT gate is connected to 1 of AND gate. 3 is connected to 2 of OR gate. 3 of XOR gate is connected to 4 of XOR gate, that is same IC, and 5 of XOR gate is connected to input, one more input, and it is also connected to 5 of AND gate. Now 4 of XOR gate is connected to 3 of NOT gate, 4 of NOT gate is connected to 4 of AND gate, 6 of AND gate is connected to 1 of OR gate, as this is already told, that is 3 of AND gate is connected to 2 of OR gate, and 3 it is given to the output, that is called as borrow. This is difference and this is borrow. Let us see the truth table. So 0 0 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. So both difference and borrow you will be getting as 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 1 you will be getting it